Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, today I wanna do some TOTD or teacher of the day, and I wanna present about the simple present tenses. I use a simple present. In verbal simple present, there is three formula. There is positive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, the formula for positive simple present is subject and then plus verb one plus s or es and then plus complement. That's for positive. And for negative is subject plus do or does not plus verb one and plus complement. And then the last is for interrogative is do or does first, and then plus subject, and then plus verb one, and then last is plus complement. That is a formula for verbal simple present. In here, there is a subject, there is two plural and singular subject. If plural subject is there is like ayu dewi, that is plural or Indonesia jamak ya. And then the verb use verb one same, and then the complement like noun and adjective. And then there is a singular subject or just one subject is there is like he, she, it. That is the verb is verb one plus the in the last word is the last verb is plus s or es, and then the complement like this. If the last verb or last sentence, last word have s and h, ch, c, z, and x, use es. Like in his washes, catches, classes, buses, and fixes. That is use the extension is es. And then there is the consonant y use es like studies. And then if vocal plus y use just s like buys, yeah. If o use s or can es like videos or potatoes. That I give a example like here. I live in Jakarta. This is the subject and then the verb and then the complement. Like in here, this is positive first ya. And then like he live in Jakarta. There is positive. And again like he goes to market like this. And then to the negative example, like I don't use do or does and not ya, like do not or does not. Is like I don't live in Bandung. This is a plural ya. And then with a singular, he doesn't or does not live in Bandung. And then for interrogative, like question, like yes or no question, uh, do I work? That is for plural, and for singular, does he work or does she work? Like that. Maybe that's all for me for simple present. But and then the function of simple present is like in the for how to say sehari-hari. For daily sentence like uh, do you do your homework or like what ya? Example is Like, okay, do you do homework or others? There's many again for the example. Okay, maybe I wanna ask some people in here just one. Uh, there is one to give my what answer my question. Reward from Mr. Heru.
Who wanna ask
Do one?
Brother Zulfika? Ask or answer?
You want ask or you want answer? You want answer, oke. Okay. I main bahasa ya, like this. Rizky, lihat ya. In here, I look ya. I in bahasa, and then you translate in English, oke? Okay? What ya in bahasa ya? In bahasa, what ya? Wait. mereka mereka menuju ke masjid. What the English that how to say in English, mereka menuju ke masjid.
They go to mosque.
They go to mosque. Okay, I think good for Rizky. Thank you for answer my question. Maybe there is a last from me. Sorry if there is mistake. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke. Ayo. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna doing a weekly activity that is TOTD, and so today I'm gonna teach you about the formula of the verbal tense of simple present tense. Okay, so let me tell you first what the function of the simple present tense. So the function is for our daily usable word. Like example, when I wanna saying something, like I am. Oh yeah, I go to school, like that, or many others. Okay, so and also the other function is for the schedule word. Like if we already know what our schedule today, so we will tell it, or the present is already happened usually, like that. Okay, so the formula, there are two in here. There is for the plural, and the second is for the singular. I mean, yeah, like that lah. So the first, there is if we I, you, they, we, and plural subject, or if there is two subject in there, it's only using the verb one, and there is no any condition in there. And the complement is the noun. There's noun and adjective, like that. Okay, example like I go to school at the morning, like that. Or maybe you study at class. So we use just using the verb one, not verb two or verb three. And after that, there is also he, she, it, and singular subject. Or if there is only and there is only one subject, we use it using a as and es. So what the difference between the as and es? So for the only as is when the verb one, the end of word is the consonant word. Like where? Let me see. In here. Oh yeah, I mean vocal. Oh yeah, like that. If the end is the consonant, there will be additional es. But if vocal, there will be no anything, but only just as in there. Okay, like example, he buys, or if about the study, the end word is e, so using he studies, so using this es like that. Okay. Before I close the material, I want to ask one of you about our material. So let me call Damar to front of. I think you can. I think you very good. Okay, you can make just one sentence for the he subject. I think yeah, you know. Uh,
He play at the park.
what?
He play at the park.
He play. Oh, there is place first.
Place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. You very
I think you are a
good.
good teacher.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. So that's all that I can say in the COTD material. That's what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Today we will learn about the simple present tense. For the make faster, let's start into it. Okay, first we must know about the sentence type, formula, and the example. First, there is a positive. We use this tense to talk about things we do every day, facts, or things that happen on a schedule. Okay, let's start with the positive sense. But the rule is subject plus verb 1 and plus s or es. But if the subject is he, she, or it, we must add s or es to the verb. For the example, he eats a rice or she eats a rice. If you just use I eat rice. And the next example is she goes to the school. Okay, now we talk about the negative sentence in here. The negative sentence, the rule is the subject plus do's plus not plus verb 1. And there is an example in here. He does not eat rice. And we go to the church. There is a question sentence. The rule is do's plus subject plus verb 1. And example is does he eat rice? There's example again, like do you play football? Do you read books? And I want to tell you about the first sentence. Use when use to talk positive sentence. You use to talk about the habits, general truths, or fixed schedule. Yeah, like before, like the example is she eats rice. That is because he used she. We add the s in the each. This means eating rice is a her habit. Okay, for the negative sentence, like used to say that someone does not do some things. Like there is the example, he does not eat rice. And the third, there is interrogative sentence or the question sentence. Is used to ask if someone does some things regularly, like that. Okay, maybe the material is just simple like that. And now the functions of the
of these lenses.
or the function. First, there is a positive sentence. Positive sentence used if like to talk about the habits, general truth, or fixed schedule. And for the negative sentence, used to say that someone does not do something. And the third is interrogative sentence or question sentence is to ask if someone does something regularly. Okay, maybe that's all from me. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So at this occasion, I would like to teach you guys about simple present. What is simple present is? Simple present is grammar that explain about habits or things that always true. Simple present is like talking about those habit or facts. For the formula, for the positive one, subject, verb one, include s or es, and then add with complement, object, or adverb. For examples is I take a shower 3 times a day, or for she or he is he drinks or she drinks a glass of coffee. Also, there is a negative one, subject, do or does not, or maybe can change to be doesn't or don't, or and then add with verb one, and then the last one is complement, object, or adverb. For example, is I do not take a shower 3 times a day, or she does not drink a glass of coffee. And then this one is for a question, do or does. We will switch the do or does to be at the first one, and then next one is subject, verb, and complement. For at this case, do I take a shower 3 times a day, or does she drink a glass of coffee? Like this example. This also we have simple present examples for habit or routines. I eat. Eat is verb one. I eat. For the complement is I eat rice every morning. For examples, or he goes to school every Monday or Friday. Monday to Friday. And then the last example is we play football every afternoon. And then for the subject and base form of the verb is, for example, is I eat, you go, we play, they study, or the children likes to play. And for he, she, it is he eat, she goes, it runs, or example with name, Budi sleeps and the cats drink. And then this is for example in everyday conversation. For example is where do you live is do for do you, and you where do you it's you is the complement, and you is the subject, and then at the verb one, where do you live, and then I work every day, I is the subject, work is the verb one, and then the complement is every day. She likes a chocolate. She is the subject. Verb one is chocolate or the object, and then add with s, and then the last one is the complement every day, and then the last one is the bus comes every 15 minutes. The bus is the subject, or and then comes is verb one, add with s, and then the last one is every 15 minutes. The main idea is the simple present is used to talk about things that usually happen, or always true, or on schedule. Just remember the verb change when the subject is he, she, and it. The third person singular. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.